Today we're going to be looking at the Carbe Diem Rotini. This is a lower net carb pasta. Now with this here, it's got 110 calories per serving with high fiber. Now if you look, it actually shows you the breakdown. The regular pasta has 39.0 grams of carbs per serving, where with the net carbs, it's 16 grams of net carbs because it has 24 grams of fiber inside. Now, if you know anything about net carbs, it's either sugar, alcohols, or fiber minus your carbohydrates. So your carbohydrates minus fiber or sugar, alcohols. So this one here, you minus the 24 grams of fiber from the carbs, and you get 16 grams of net carbs. That's a little bit of math fun for you. We're gonna go ahead and cook this up right now and see how it is. It's been extremely hard to find a palatable pasta option when you're looking for low carb, so we're hoping this one will taste good. It says boil the water, add salt, and boil for 13 to 15 minutes. Strain and put your sauce on it. I'm excited because each box comes with 6 servings, so we're gonna go ahead and cook this up, portion it out, and go ahead and try it and see how it tastes. Fresh out of the pot, looking good. I've got my 6 portions out here set up for my meal planning, and you see that it actually has a really nice texture. It has the consistency of a regular pasta noodle. Very pliable. You really can't taste the difference between that and a regular noodle. Definitely 1,000 times better than those konjac noodles. Got my meal plan ready to go. Get my sauce on top. Get my Parmesan cheese. And if you know about the low carb meal planning, this is gonna be amazing. They take on sauce just like any regular noodle. That is a pure slice of deliciousness. When you haven't had noodles or pasta for the last 2 years, that is phenomenal. You really can't taste the difference. This is definitely gonna be added to my weekly meal plan. It's gonna work for my needs.